If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Valorant, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart the game. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your Valorant client is up to date. Check for any available updates and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Verify game files. Open the Riot client, go to Valorant and select the option to verify game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as needed. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Valorant. Add Valorant and Riot client to the exceptions list to ensure they can connect to the internet without restrictions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in Valorant. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.